says fun car, like running from security. I can't believe I turned it off. It's just, I've been in trouble with security in this parking lot before, and every time they've told me that as long as I'm not filming, they're okay with it. So, for whatever reason, in the split second it occurred to me, I'll just talk my way out of this. So I turned the camera off. But then once he had gotten out of the car, I realized he hasn't seen the license plate. Yeah, the car's a pretty obvious description, but without the license plate, he can't prove it's actually me. So, I just took off. He's a security guard. He can't actually chase me. And once I'm off property, it's not his problem. Yes, he's going to call the cops, but there's not actually that much they can do. I am going to go home, though. But,